It's coming for you. Constantly adapting, constantly advancing, and no matter where you run, where you hide, it will be there, and it will find you. Technology. But technology isn't that scary, is it? And let's be honest, by this point you've figured out smartphones, that weird GPS system your car has, Netflix, self-checkouts, that random button on your new dishwasher, online banking, food delivery apps, wireless headphones, clapper lights, video games, smart TVs. Technology is here to make your life easier, and that's exactly what EMDECS is providing for the heavy-duty vehicle maintenance industry. Designed with and for everyone in the process, from technicians to managers and back-office personnel, this centralized system uses the wonderful power of technology to keep everyone coordinated in real time and increase the efficiency of your operations at every level. So let's embrace technology. Streamline your work so you can enjoy your life. For help simplifying your fleet maintenance, visit EMDECS.com.